Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Reddit safely. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Reddit safely, then you need to prioritize your anonymity. You need to enable your robust account security settings and be very cautious about the content you consume and share. You need to leverage the platform's moderation and reporting tools as well. You need to use a non-identifying username, like choose a username that does not reveal your real name, location, or any other personally identifiable information. You need to create a unique and strong two-factor authentication, activated password, a dedicated email. Consider using an email address solely for your Reddit account to limit your exposure of your primary email. Now, in your settings, you can also disable ability for people to follow you, limit who can send you private messages, and stop search engines from indexing your profile and post. So, you can also use a VPN for more security, and this way you can use Reddit safely. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.